everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Yummy Brown of Yommycrochetlogy. Today we will be doing a basic stitches of crochet. I have a yarn and a hook here. It's a scrap of yarn in a 4.5mm hook, and our stitch for today is single crochet. That's the name, single crochet, and that's the sign or abbreviation SC, okay, and that's the symbol X or cross, the two will do. Okay, usually X and cross or the symbol is used in a graphic or drawing pattern, while the abbreviation SC is used for drawing pattern. So let's proceed and make a single crochet. I have here my foundation chain. I linked the video below for a foundation chain tutorial. So I already made a foundation chain because we cannot make a single crochet unless we have a foundation chain. So I'll link the video below. So how to make a single crochet? First is insert your hook into the tip of your chain, wrap your yarn around your little finger, wrap around it into your 3 fingers and hold on to your project, okay? And then you have to insert your hook into the next chain stitch from the hook, this one here, okay? And wrap your yarn around the hook and you have to pull it into the first yarn. So you have two yarns now, 1 and 2. Now wrap again and then pull it through. That is a single crochet. That's what it looks like. Again, insert your hook into the chain stitch next to that single crochet you just made. Okay, wrap your yarn around the hook and pull it through. You have 2 yarns in your hook and wrap your yarn around a hook and pull it through. Again, that's another single crochet. So you have 2 single crochets in your chain now. Insert your hook again into the next chain stitched and then wrap your yarn and pull it through. There's 2 yarns in your hook now. Wrap your yarn around the hook and pull it through. Another single crochet. That's what a single crochet looks like. Again, let's do single crochet. Insert your hook into the next chain stitch like this. Okay, and wrap your yarn around the hook and pull it through. Okay, there's 2 yarns and wrap your yarn around the hook and pull it through. Another single crochet. So basically, this is what a single crochet looks like. If your pattern says 10 single crochets, so you'll be making 10 single crochets like what I'm doing here, okay? So if the pattern says 20, so you have to make 20 single crochets. So I am here in my last single crochet, so wrap your yarn around a hook and pull it through. So I have here 10 single crochets, and this is what a single crochet looks like. This is the stitch or the finished product. This is the symbol X or cross, and that's the name and the abbreviation. And that's our basic stitch for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again in my next video, and goodbye.
I know we got some